Hello everybody, welcome back to another trip report. Today I'm at the Minneapolis Airport and I'm going to be flying with Delta Airlines on the Boeing 717 over to Newark. I just got into Minneapolis on a connecting flight from Grand Forks, North Dakota, and I have about an hour here before boarding this next flight. Thank you all for watching, enjoy the video. The aircraft taking us back to Newark tonight is November 939 Alpha Tango, a 717 first delivered to AirTran in 2006 before transferring to Delta in 2015. This was also the last Boeing 717 ever produced. Let's take a look at our seat. The seat back doesn't have any in-flight entertainment since this aircraft normally operates on pretty short flights. Legroom was decent but a bit tight for me, and in the seat back pocket we have the safety card. Overall, it's not that bad for this 2-hour flight. We took off from runway 17 in Minneapolis around 10 minutes after our scheduled departure time. A short snack service began as we flew over Illinois. I had some water and these delicious chips. 22 left in Newark around 10 minutes ahead of schedule after flying for 2 hours and 13 minutes at a cruising altitude of 33,000 feet. Overall, this was a pretty enjoyable flight. Though the seat was not the most comfortable, I was able to sleep pretty well, and it wasn't bad for a flight like this. Delta 717s may not have the most modern interiors, but they're quite alright for the short flights that they're flying on. Thank you all for watching, take care, and have a great day.